Hey you guys, welcome to Asia's Travel Adventures. So me and Shadow just went to In-N-Out Burger, as you can see behind me. And we're in Davis, California. Oh, snaps. So then we're headed to the Jelly Belly factory, and we're going to eat along the way. Hi, so like I was saying, me and Shadow just went to In-N-Out Burger. We grabbed some food, huh babe?
Yep.
And so what did we get?
In-N-Out.
I know, but what? What did you get from In-N-Out?
Really?
Yeah, a double-double.
Yeah.
I got a single cheeseburger, and then we just kept the fries regular, no animal style, and Shadow's just digging through the box, look. Ooh. And we got these little boxes to use while we're driving, so we can eat a little better. Quite ready to do yet, and then, yeah, so we're headed to the Jelly Belly factory. You're handing me everything, like, hold on. Okay, I got it in the box, but it's situated. Look at that burger. Oh my god, I love their fries. Yeah, it's like the best. So, we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna start driving to the Jelly Belly factory in Fairfield, California. Peace, we'll see you guys when we get there, huh babe?
Yep.
Alright, bye. Hey you guys, so we're pulling up to the Jelly Belly factory. Oh my god. Shadow's so excited.
There's the Jelly Belly car. There it is.
Alright, I gotta park, so yeah. We're at the Jelly Belly factory, you guys, and I'm getting out of the vehicle, and there's Shadow already out of the car.
Ready?
Okay, ready to do this. Here we are, you guys, Jelly Belly factory. There goes Shadow, look at this! Oh my god! So exciting. Stand under the sign, babe. Yeah, look, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look how little you are compared to it. How awesome. Here we go, we're gonna go in, so yay! Our van's parked over there. This is so cute. All Christmassy. Oh my gosh. Frequently asked questions. Alright, let's go in. Come on, babe. So cute. So cute. Oh, so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a candy store. How awesome! It's so cute in here. Oh my god, look at it. Alright, so we're gonna check this out. Oh my god. Look! It's all made out of Jelly Bellies. Oh my god, that's so cool. Wow, it really is. Wow. That's freaking cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna check this out, you guys. Alright, bye. Video recording everything, documenting it. Wow, that's what you're looking at. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. Alright, we gotta find ourselves. Oh my god, they got the Frozen Girls and Jelly Bellies too made. Look. Wow, that's so cool. We're gonna explore and then we'll be back with you guys. This is so cool. So far.
It's cool.
It is?
Yeah.
Yeah, you loving it? You got your little hat there? I got mine on. Hi. Oh, now we're upstairs to take the tour.
Sure, come on.
Ooh, look. Ooh, they got Santa in there. Oh. Ooh, look at that dance. All the chocolate. Ooh, more Jelly Belly art. This is so cool. Love it, love it, love it. We're gonna take the tour.
Okay, gotta wear your hat, otherwise they won't let you in.
Okay, start.
My cousin and I share the same great grandfather, Gustav
That we have a factory like this.
Alright, so we're doing the tour now, you guys, and we took our pictures over here with the big Jelly Belly guy. Now, here's in the factory. We're just checking it out. Fairy Cherry Lane. Oh, this is so cute. Fairy Cherry Lane. Oh, the sun's so bright. You having fun, babe?
Yeah.
Look, they got all the flavors right here on the wall.
Yeah, they have every flavor.
Over 50 fun flavors. Ooh, birthday cake. Ooh. How cool.
You're embarking on your Jelly Belly factory tour. We'll get to the magic of candy making in just a little bit.
Look at all
But
this.
first, let's have a look at what's happening on the floor below. This entire wing is dedicated to one purpose.
machine was running about 240 bags a minute. And as
240 bags a minute. Holy. Whoa, that's a lot. I'm just hearing everything as I'm going. Wow. This is so cool. Shadow's way back there. So much going on. Alright, so we just came across this on our little freelance walk, basically.
Such as
Guess
applying
what,
a tightly
Bean?
to secure those shrink hands in place. Everything works in harmony to send your favorite treats out the door.
There's Shadow doing it. Can you guess?
Oh wow.
What is it?
Buttered popcorn.
Yeah, let me smell. I want to try.
In the factory below.
What was the world's first flavored jelly bean? Okay, so what do? You push open this?
You hit the button and then it pushes the smell out.
Oh my god, it's so butter popcorn. It smells so good. Kate.
That's the cinnamon.
Oh, you still smell it.
The one thing they all have in common is that they all work as part of an assembly line.
I knew it.
On an assembly line,
Don't tell me. I want to guess.
the flow isn't interrupted. The machine
You
below
gonna push
you
the
is
button?
a fine example of this. Packaging material is loaded in, and robot arms open and form the
Coconut?
boxes, tucking in tabs to create
Real
the
flakes of this stone fruit go in each batch
How
of
did
jelly
it
belly.
smell like all that
box
here?
cap is
That is
closed.
coconut.
A trip down the belt takes the newly formed boxes to a
That's
disc.
so
Goes down,
cool.
these tubes literally go down to the workstation that they're working
Here
on.
sends the imperfect package off the line.
There must be a fan that blows it
This
up.
machine wraps cellophane around the box with a tear tape placed for convenient opening. Edges are tucked like a birthday package and tapped with heat to seal them. Everything is moving so fast, and we can't slow down now. Workers hand-pack our 175 boxes.
Oh, look at all the containers with the jelly
Jelly
beans.
beans are placed one by
Oh
one
my
on
God,
top
I'm
of
so
that paint
excited.
in a mosaic pattern
Look,
as
look,
close
look.
together as possible. On average, it takes artist
Oh
and
my
resident
God.
Kristen Cummings approximately 100 hours of work from the start of the guide painting to finishing
Oh
the
my
piece
God,
with
that's
an
so
edible
many
resin to
jelly
preserve and
beans.
seal the beans in place. Final Jelly Belly art pieces are oversized, many approximately 5 feet by 4 feet. This is so the final image is
It's like
clearly
rows and rows.
recognizable.
Where are the
Think of
bags.
each bean as a
Oh
pixel.
my god.
The more detail in the image, the more pixels are needed. Depending on the technique of the artist,
Wow.
a final
We got
work
more
of Jelly
smells.
Belly art can use, on average,
Tour, babe.
Awesome.
Yeah? Did you have fun?
Oh,
Look at
jelly
this. We're all done
flops.
with the tour, you guys. So, we're just wrapping it up. There's a little crowd ahead of us. So, anyways, check this out. There's all the employee uniforms, it looks like. Jelly Belly flops. Belly flops.
Your
This
regular
little area.
jelly.
Yeah. So the tour is over. So we're all done. So we are just gonna shop around and check out the cafeteria area now. All right.